Hi, welcome to CJ Wild Money Entertainment. If you've never been to my channel before, on Fridays we keep it real with topics that's trending on social media or people ask me in my comments or that follows me on my numerous social media. Well, today is about tips for contests and sweepstakes. And I got a little book here because I got some points that I want to go through. And the reason why I thought this was really great is because today I was supposed to do my contest for the 500 subscribers. And I can't because nobody really followed the rules. So, today I'm going to give a couple of tips for a contest or a sweepstake that you may want to do on social media. And these are some of the points that I feel is really important. 1, limit who can register. You know, if it's for Instagram, then you want to put just Instagram. If it's for Instagram and let's say YouTube, you know, you may want to separate it or just put for that. Because sometimes people get confused with the different types of social media. Don't use voting. I wanted to do a voting thing because I've seen people do it. But a lot of people say that's like kind of playing favoritism because you're asking an audience that's want to be in a contest to vote on those who should win the contest. Reserve the right to make some people ineligible. If you just want to do United States, you really got to be honest, and that's what I did. I was honest, and I was like, I can only do United States because I just got through doing a big giveaway for Christmas worldwide. And unfortunately, that's the only people who really wanted to join this contest that I had that was out of the country. And I specifically said I couldn't do outside the country. Don't give away lost cash. Well, you know, I ain't got to worry about that. Because I ain't even got no large cash. You know. But don't give big ticket items like iPads and stuff like that. I think that could cause a lot of problems. Even if you're a big channel. You have rules, deadlines, and you promote. It's very important to promote your giveaway. So, just to wrap this up, how do you do a giveaway? Hit me up in the comments. Do you promote? Do you make things specific? Do you have rules? What do you do when people don't follow the rules and you still have that giveaway? Do you just put it together and move it over? Because now I'm going to wait to a 600 giveaway because nobody followed the rules for the 500. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know, how do you do a giveaway? You already know what time it is. It is Friday, and I'm tired, and I'm out. Peace.